My stud. Lucky on your ass.
I feel like I'm in the land of the giants with this.
Didn't you say yesterday you don't like people watching you?
I think I'm recording, but I'm not sure. What? Yum, yum, yum. Bumpy!
Where's Simon going? He just crashed. He just drove off the road. Basically. I'm trying to hide. Where are we stopping? This is it, mate.
Yeah, because we're bored.
Oh,
shit.
Oh, this is fantastic, eh?
You know, this has the same problem the Grand Canyon does, the skip.
How's that walk, mate?
That was 1.5 walks. Did you point down there just to see how far we walked? Look at that.
This is what bloody Digby did again, tight ass. We had to walk from that little track down there up this bloody great fucking mountain. Look at it. Just to sit here beside this bloody flag. Oh, bloody hell. Look at that. Straight up, we're on this, I don't know what it is, cantilever. I don't know why the fuck we're standing here, you know. This is Vietnamese construction. Oh, not too bad.
Yep, pretty good.
Bloody hell, look at that. Woo! Can you imagine we climbed all the way from that little village down there up to here just to get this view.
I keep nodding my head now.
Digby was saying, all there is China.
Yeah,
All around there, just over that mountain there, goes down to a river.
yeah.
It's China. All there. The river runs around this area. The top of Vietnam's like a triangle.
Yeah, yeah.
And we're standing right on the pinnacle of that triangle. You
Oh,
can't go any more this way, you can't go any more that way.
so that's
Basically,
China.
we've got to drive back out the way
So we can't actually go to the border, eh? And Warthog 4, I think he needs another pair of boots. Look, Captain Foo's been trying to fix his boots, but mate, he can't fix them.
This is going to be in a museum after this trip. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
What?
He's also another tight ass pom. He won't buy another pair of boots. They're the only boots he's got.
It's not a film, man.
Here's Joe coming through.
I tell you what, friends, you know, there's a village down here. You want to see how steep it is, and imagine how these guys get out of here. They're living in rock. Look at that.
Wow.
How little farming can they do? You know,
And look at
a
this.
little bit down the bottom.
That's down.
They've
That's
got
where
their
we're
dam.
sitting.
See that dam down there? Between.
Today is the 8th. What is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? What is it?
Right.
Does anyone know what the real date is? Thursday.
Yep.
What's the date?
Got it.
Saturday. Today's Saturday.
Anyway, it's the 8th and it's 8:15. We had an early start this morning.
Looks very good.
Yesterday was a glorious day. You actually got some footage through all the mountains from Dongvan and around the bits. You saw the flag. That was China, or near China, the Chinese border, that mountain range. And now we're heading out of Dongvan and have no bloody idea where we're going. We're just following Digby and Show. Show's been filming some stuff, which we hope we can get, which is just glorious.
Yeah, we got a little bit bored there, Show.
Yeah.
Bonza!
So anyway, we had a great day. Had a bit of a tumble.
You had a tumble.
Johnny's Hanover!
Made Foo laugh for once. He laughed his head off. He
He
just...
was
loved it, didn't
sleepy.
Hey?
Sleepy.
Yeah, he was. So anyway, have a look at this. This is the morning of the 8th. Look at that gorge. Isn't that glorious? See if I can get a short
It'll
shot.
look all black.
Here's Captain Foo. Tell you what, we'd be bloody stuffed without this bugger.
Yep.
Just so good. We had a bloody front bearing seize up on a bike and he's rethreaded it and fixed it and bloody fantastic. Look at this. Look, if only we would have all these bloody mechanics at home like that.
Yeah.
Hey, nothing would break down.
Flat tyre on the road.
Look at that. And over here they don't have tubeless, so we just don't put a plug in it and pump it up. Gee, that's simple, isn't it?
What's that?
Just pull the shaft out.
Oh, okay.
Because it's shaft drive.
Would you get wobbly all of a sudden, John?
She did. Coming around that last bend there.
And how did you actually know?
What?
What made you think it was flat?
Well, it got wobbly.
Yeah, but it could have been your riding.
I know my wobbly
Where's your-
riding.
where's your cigar?
Sensational wobbly.
Where's your cigar, mate?
Oh look, the brakes are out.
Yeah, I'll grab that in a moment.
And guess who that is? Bloody arseholes here again, terrorising me.
Exactly.
Hey, how was that?
Oh, that was a good run.
Hey?
Wasn't it, eh?
Oh, beautiful.
Just beautiful. Look at the road.
Yep. I don't know who that is up there. The roads we're on. Look how windy they are. That's John there now. Some of these corners are so deadly with trucks and cars, and so you're going to be really on the ball. We're parking the bikes at the Eco Resort garage. As you can see, sure they're safe and sound. Here comes Giles on his bike.
There's two more. There's one in the village.
I think you've had too many already. Look, we've only just bloody arrived.
No.
It's the red wine.
There's not enough phosphorus on the match. That's what it was. Big one. Is that
Start again. I had a few drinks, you know. It's a bit...
Emergency evacuation, take one.
Someone did your shoes?
SOS.
Wait.
His legs are screwed. His brain's not fucking too far behind either. Hey, Shu, open the door. Open the door, Shu.
He just pushing.
Go and visualise those pushing that video.
Let's have a look at his feet.
How good is this? We look after our bloody patients. SOS.
That's it.
Very hungry.
He's gone. That's it.
Don't wait.
That's the trip.
They'll look after him at the hospital.
Hey, we've got grab that other bottle.
Okay, Hogs.
The full one.
Man, it's been a big night.
Bullshit. It's fucking 10:30. It's 10. Not even. It's 11 o'clock.
And what's the colour of your eyes, friends?
I don't know. I can't see them.
Yeah.
What's the colour of mine?
Red.
We're all a bit worried.
Are we?
I had a punter who I've been willing to tell Simon yet. He actually walked on the plane
Missy.
in Hanoi after a ride just like that. But when he arrived in Sydney, the ambulance was waiting. He was taken straight to St. George's, St. Prince. The doctor had a look at his feet and swollen up this. The doctor said, "We've got to give you every antibiotic under the sun, and if there's no change in 12 hours, we're cutting both your feet off."
Shit. Poor bastard. He's fucked, didn't he?
He's